attitude, our heading, our magnetic compass, and our turn coordinator. So again, just read through this, make sure you have a good understanding of knowing, okay, what controls are making us pitch, what controls are making us bank, and what controls are making us with our power. So with our power, a lot of this is obviously, our airspeed. Our trim is also really important so that we can get leveled out, as well as just utilizing our engine instruments. Our engine instruments, maybe our RPM setting, our manifold pressure. And so that's what we kind of have here on that second picture. Now, the last thing we are going to look at here is going to be basically like, how are we going to be interpreting our instruments? And so that's really important. And that's where we get into basically our instrument attitude flying part 2. So this is our learning methods, how we cross check. Now, cross checking can be done in very different ways. And I believe I may have just skipped that. So with the cross checking, there's 2 ways you can cross check. One, well, actually 3. Some like to look at the attitude indicator, and this is kind of what I do on a G1000 that we can see here. So I will look right here in the middle and then just kind of notice what everything is going on the sides. Like, how's my airspeed looking, my attitude, my airspeed over here, my altimeter, and if my CDI is in the right place. And I'm just staring in the middle and I can see everything around. Some people, they like to do like looking straight across and going down. And that's if you have a 6-pack, which we can go back over here, is you would just kind of go to the left, down, and to the right. Or you can go inverted and go down, down. But honestly, if you are looking at the attitude indicator and just kind of like pulsating, kind of like seeing what instruments are going on around you, it's the best way to go about it. Now, like I said, if we're using a G1000 or any other type of glass cockpit, this is the best way. Just stare at that attitude indicator and just kind of see what's going on around it. See, like, okay, do I see my airspeed's increasing a lot or my altimeter's decreasing? And then we can change, or maybe, oh shoot, I'm off like almost 2 or 3 degrees off of where my CDI should be. So just noticing those little things. Now, I would also look at this section as well. This again gets us really acquainted with what the MFD and PFD looks like, especially in the G1000, and learning how to read it. And so, again, if you guys don't have one, this is a really good resource to use, because even if you don't have a G1000, like the aircraft that I'm flying in now has an Aspen, but the middle part still gives us the same information